brief you on how to search for statistic information from local provider. So first of all, let us give a try with MAMPU. So you can simply go to this URL data.gov.my and you simply type and put your keyword that you want to search for. For example, I'm looking for statistic of unemployment in Malaysia, so I just click cari. Then they're going to show you the statistic according to your keyword, and you can also get some other information from the left hand side of the page, including the provider, the cluster, and tag, including the format. And you can see the result in the middle here, so you can choose any data that you like to further explore. For example, I want to see this one, unemployment rate by state, so I just click on it. Then you can scroll down and read the information provided here. And if you want to download, you can simply go here and click muat turun or download. Then they can simply download for you information. So like this one is in the form of Excel file. So this is the data that you are looking for. So now let us give a try with the second provider, which is from Department of Statistics. You can simply go to this URL, sm.gov.my. Then from here, you just do the same. Go here and type the keyword. For example, I'm looking again for unemployment. So this is among the option available under your keyword. So I choose this one, actively unemployed. And you can see from the list here, and I'm looking for this one because this one is among the latest one by January 2020. So I click on it, and there you are. This is the statistic that I am looking for. So you can get them from here, and if you plan to download them, so you can simply click here, save as PDF. So basically, this is how you can use this platform in order to search for statistics. Thank you.